I'm going to try and record this one-handed. This lever right there in the center of the screen is the throttle advance lever that is activated when you engage the choke. There's the choke linkage. When I activate the choke linkage, you'll see that this lever communicates over here with the throttle. See if I can show it. And it advances the throttle plates just a smidge. That's how that works. When you are assembling carbs 2 and 4 to their plenum half, if you do not relocate this lever and you put the carbs together, this lever will be down here below the linkage, will not articulate here with the throttle plate at all. Repositioning this little lever is really tricky. You have to get a tiny rusted cotter pin out of here. This mechanism is all spring loaded, and it's really a bit of a bear to take this off when it's in the wrong position, relocate it, it's now under tension, and get it back in the correct position. I've had to do that a couple of times, and I'm sharing this just for those of you who don't do carb rebuilds very often. Be aware of that. You have to take a moment before you connect carbs 2 and 4 to their plenum half to reposition the throttle advance lever correctly. That information is not included in Randak's carb rebuild video, and I botched it up twice.